This is our annual exercise which we normally do to assess our preparedness, that how well we are prepared for facing some unfortunate incident. And this we are doing in association with NDRF, which is a specialized force to deal with such disasters. So in case some unfortunate incident happen, so we just want to assess our preparedness as well as learn from the ways which NDRF and other agencies, state agencies, they take steps to tackle such disasters. So I'm very thankful for all of you to come, and we are trying to learn as well as assess and make better preparations in future.
Sir, what are the teams are participating in the exhibition?
Basically, it is the railways, NDRF, and it's mainly NDRF, then state fire department, state police, so state agencies, and NDRF and railways.
How many teams, sir?
Basically, 4 teams will be there. 4 teams. State government, NDRF, and railways. State government will be fire department will be there, and police will be there. So it is an association with state government, NDRF.
Can you explain what are their execution in this?
See, first thing is that some mishap occurs. Immediately after occurrence of mishap, the information goes from the station to our control. Immediately from the control, our specialized van, medical van, and our tool van, that is the equipment van, it has to immediately start within 15-20 minutes. And immediately the state agencies, if required, fire department, they are all informed. So immediately that is the golden hour. So we have to start within 15-20 minutes from the center where the medical van, doctors are stationed. So that is the first thing. Then state governments are informed and immediate rescue is done. As you know, that's the golden hour thing. Whatever assistance we can provide within the first half an hour, 45, 1 hour, that is most important. So depending on the situation, the hospitals, nearby hospitals are informed for ambulance, doctors, and we mobilize as early, as fast as possible for the rescue and relief.
How many days you take to conduct this event?
This is a one-day event. This is, see, it is
Preparation, sir.
it is a mock drill. It is a mock drill in the sense that we had in association NDRF fixed the date. The message went from the station at 9:56 hours. At 10:15 hours, our train started from Mysore station along with doctors, equipments, everything. Similarly, the police department, everybody came. So this is an exercise basically to assess the preparedness.